Hi guys, calling to all cat owners. We've got you another homemade cat wet food recipe. Let's go. Boil 200 grams or 3 chub mackerels for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, drain the fish, debone, and throw away the head. Now, boil 100 grams of minced beef for 5 minutes. And then drain and let it cool for a while. After cool down, put the meat in the blender. And ground it to the texture your cats prefer. After that, add the deboned mackerels, a little amount of rice, calcium, and pour a little bit of broth. Blend all of them until mixed well. This is the texture my cats love, so it's done. You can freely adjust it to your cat's favorite texture. Store it in a closed container like this. And that's it for today's video. What should we cook next time? Please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.